Hi, welcome back. It's the final video of Nutrition Facts Label project. I promise. Let's proceed with step 61, shall we? Let's add a new paragraph element with the text, as includes 10 grams added sugars 20%. Make sure our new paragraph element is also double indented and have no bottom border, and use a span to make 20% as bold and also right aligned. Create another divider after it. Step 62. After our last divider, let's create another paragraph element with the text protein 3 grams. Also remove its bottom border and add a span to make protein bolder. Then we gotta wrap the text protein 3 grams, including the new span element, in a new span element. Finally, create a large divider after it. Step 63. Let's create another paragraph element below our large divider and give it a text as vitamin D2 micrograms 10%. We gotta wrap percentage in a span element to make it to the right. Step 64. Create another paragraph element with the text as calcium 260 milligrams 20%. Then align 20% to the right. Then create another paragraph element with the text iron 8 milligrams and 45%, aligning the 45% to the right. Step 65. Create another paragraph element with the text potassium 235 milligrams 6%. Align 6% text to the right and remove the bottom border of the paragraph element. Step 66. Now it's time to add a medium divider, and below that let's add another paragraph element with the class attribute set to note. Copy-paste that text to your paragraph. Step 67. Let's create a note class selector in our styles CSS file and set the size of the font to 0.6 rem. Also set the top and bottom margins to 5 pixels and remove the left and right margins. Step 68. Let's give the note selector a left and right padding of 8 pixels, removing the top and bottom padding. Also, let's set the text indent property to -8 pixels. Yay, our nutrition label is finally complete. I'm pretty sure you must have completed by now. Legends for a reason. Alright, that was all for today, folks. Hope you like, share, comment on my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.